on the way to take the tires for the G8 to get the rims painted black. The back tires came in for the G8 right here. They're 275, 275, 35, 20s. And I showed you a picture of the front ones earlier. Right now, the front ones and the back wheels are actually getting painted, and I'm going to show you those when I go pick them up. Just want to show you the back tires. I have some more wheels to drop off. My brother took the wheels off the Mercedes, and we're going to take these and get them touched up. It has some bad spots in it, some scrapes around there on all four of them. So we're going to go and get these touched up with gloss black also. I'm going to drop these off when I pick up the other wheels, my son's wheels for his car. And we're going to get the tires put on, like I said before. But just want to show you these wheels. They're Vossen 22-inch wheels. And I think I have to get my brother Mercedes and put it on my channel and show you guys. Mercedes is a 500 or 550, I think. It's a two-door. But I'll get it one day and do a little review of it. Just got back from picking up the wheels from getting done. Look at them. They look good. And we're about to put them on the car. That look good there. You put 3 on already? You got 2 lights. And 2 more. You got 2 right here. Just dropped up.
That's the last? No, we got more.
5 more.
Alright. Yeah, that's big.
Is it really? Just wanted to do a little close out of this video. We got the wheels on the G8. They came out looking real good, and you're gonna see in some pictures that follows this video of how the car looked with the wheels on it. I like the way it looked. I think it came out real good. We still got a little bit of stuff to do to it. He want to add some, put some more headlights in, and we're gonna change the center caps up and put Pontiac center caps in it. But that's all that stuff is just little things that he's gonna do to it. So I just think that right now, just like I said, it looks good and he's having fun with the car, and I'm happy that he likes it and he's having fun. So we're just gonna roll with that. More time, I guess, for me to work on the GTO. Like I said in my last video, I think I said about 75% done with the GTO, but that's more, I would say more like 90% now, 90 to 95%. So, and I'm going to be dropping that video pretty soon. So here you go. Here's pictures of the G8 and how it looks with the new painted wheels. I want to do a little walk around. It's early in the morning before I go to work. This is show the rims on my son's car. He's going to be going to work by the time I get home, so just want to do a little walk around. They actually came out good, like I said in the video. We didn't put the smaller back tires on it yet, 35 series, but I told him we're probably going to end up doing that. I think it may look better with them.